Spanish. Now that's 2 of them down, but this third one literally like broke my brain when I first saw it. Like this actually confused me so much the first time I saw it. But once I understood its logic, I was able to again apply it to several different examples. It made me feel like a genius. And once we go through this one, I'm going to give you one question that you can ask yourself that will change how you look at Spanish sentences forever, okay? So stay with me. The first sentence is, se me cayó. First, when I first looked at this, my thought was, who dropped what, okay? We know that caer means to fall or to drop in this context, and it's very confusing, I know, but I know that the word se in this context means itself. Me in this context means to me, or it could also mean from me, which in this context makes sense. And then cayó means it fell, okay? And so when you put that together, you get it fell itself to me or from me, something like that, which to my English mind sounded so absurd and like illogical. I noticed here was that when you say it fell itself to me, there's no I, meaning in English we say that I dropped it. But in this one, there's no I. It's the same concept as we saw before, where the object, the thing that fell, the it, is the thing that is doing the verb, and the person who in English does the verb, meaning I, is actually the one receiving the verb in this case, which is why we have this to me here. In English, when you say I dropped it, you're saying that you did it. You are the one doing the verb. In Spanish, you're saying that the thing, the it, did itself to you. And that's the logic. It did itself to you mean that you did it for these types of words. So if you want to say I forgot it or it slipped my mind or something, you would actually say it forgot itself to me. Se me olvidó. And so you see these sentences like se me rompió, se me perdió, se me ocurrió, right? These literally translate to, for example, the verb to break is romper. It did itself to me, and it explains this sort of idea that that thing occurred to you. It happened to you. And this structure is used a lot in Spanish, right? This structure can be very confusing, but once you sort of understand how it works, basically meaning that the object does the verb, and then basically meaning the thing, the object, does the verb to it, and then to the subject, meaning the person doing the verb in English. Once you understand that, you can actually just apply this to any, to any example. And so any example where you see se me olvidó, se me rompió, se me cayó, you will be able to use it in basically any context once you understand it, right? Means, because if se me cayó means I dropped it, I can already see that, okay, it means that it dropped itself to me, means that I dropped it. I can understand that that he dropped it would be it dropped itself to him, which would be se le cayó. And by the way, if you're just getting started, I highly recommend joining the Speedy Spanish Hub. It's a free community I created with a bunch of free resources and guides to help you start learning Spanish with these methods. And it'll be the first link in the description.